Good morning, Arthur Charles here with another dose of digital business secrets. So today I want to share with you on experts. Talk to you about experts. Malcolm Gladwell says that in order for you to be an expert in anything, whatever your gift is, whatever your talent, whatever your skill set is, for you to be an expert in that, you need to put in at least 10,000 hours. That's roughly 4.5 years if you put in a 10-hour day every day, 5 days a week. So if you've done that, I've been in digital marketing now for 22 years. I'm probably an expert 5x or something like that. But that's basically what he says. And a lot of people agree with him. I'm not sure I do, but that's the rule of thumb right now. In order for you to be an expert, to be a guru, to be a sage in anything, you have to have put in your 10,000 hours. So us as business people, as entrepreneurs, when our geyser at home breaks, our system breaks, our tap breaks, shower handle breaks, something, the shower head breaks, we call a plumber. That's what we do. First thing we do is we call a plumber. If anything electrical blows up due to a power surge or whatever, we call a sparky, man. We call an electrician. Because that's what they do. That's their area of expertise. Your car packs up. Well, first thing you call is a tow truck, obviously. But the second thing you call is you go to a mechanic, somebody to look at the car, somebody that can actually fix what's wrong with it. First, they can diagnose what's wrong with it and fix that. You know why? Because that person is an expert in that field. But then entrepreneurs, business people, when it comes to their business, let's say you're a dentist, right? Let's say you're a dentist. So your area of expertise is obviously oral hygiene, blah, 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 extractions, fillings, blah, 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 all that fancy schmancy stuff, carbon fiber bridges and whatever, basically fixing people's mouths. Your area of expertise is the mouth of the human being. But then you find that a dentist wants to now do they want to manage their own Facebook page, they want to write their own copy, they want to drive their own traffic, they want to do their own Facebook advertising, their own Google advertising. Why? Because they've seen somebody else do it and it looks easy. So let me ask you, why do entrepreneurs not seek the help of an expert? By the way, in my office, in my office at my agency, I have 11 people. We've actually established a date for this on the 21st of March, on Human Rights Day. They will be launching a brand new company that is completely, solely, utterly dedicated to just driving traffic. Right now they are a unit within my agency, and all they do every day, all day, is to drive traffic for our clients. Social media traffic, web traffic, blog traffic, wiki traffic, e-commerce traffic, and video traffic. That's basically their job. That's all they do. Each one has his own area that he is dedicated to, and they drive traffic for our clients. Why? Because business online starts and ends with traffic. Traffic is the omega of alpha and the omega of online business, because your traffic then becomes your lead becomes your sale becomes your customer becomes your profit. And that is why they do what they do. So on the 21st of March, they'll be launching their own company. They will no longer be part of our company. I will function as they've given me a fancy title. I will be the head of growth of that particular company. But I won't be as involved in the operations as I am at Arthur Charles Consulting. So I've got these guys, and they are experts. So why do entrepreneurs, especially startup, small business entrepreneurs, not seek the help of an expert? Let me tell you why I ask this question. If you, maybe you know how to manipulate software. Yes, you play a little bit back in the day with word art and whatever. You can do PowerPoint, blah, blah, blah. You've learned this along the way. You've very both your laptop and your 60. So you can do something. So now all of a sudden you think you're a graphic designer. However, you're not really a fully fledged graphic designer, and in order for you to learn graphic design, it's going to take you roughly 30 to 40, maybe even 100 hours. And after that 100 hours, you will not be as good as the guy that's been doing it for the last 10 years. So why not just go to the guy that's been doing it for 10 years and pay him a small, tiny fee? to do whatever it is you need doing, logo, business card, signage, you know, pay that guy, man. He's the professional, he's the expert. He can give you several options to choose from. In fact, he's the guy who can say, no, make the orange lighter, put round the corners, put that on that side. He's the guy. You will still have to go and learn how to do that. He's the guy that can do it in the blink of an eye. So why not talk to that guy? You know, we've all been given one gift. We all have one thing that we're really good at. Really good at. Recently I found mine. About 2 years ago, 2018, I found the thing that I'm really good at. For years I've been doing graphic design, I've been building websites, I've been writing email copy, I've been writing website copy. But I found the thing that's really near and dear to my heart that I really love. This is something I'm pursuing in the year 2020. But let's come back to the subject matter, to the crux of this of what I'm talking about right now is we need to start looking at using experts, man. The same thing you do in your house. You want your house painted, you find a painter. You want your garden to look nice, you find somebody in the landscaping space. Do the exact same thing in your business, in your marketing. And then, okay, let me put it another way. I earn roughly 900 rands an hour in my business. It used to be 1,200, but I've kind of discounted it for where I'm at right now in Arthur Charles Consulting. But I earn 900 rands an hour. So if I earn 900 rands an hour, wouldn't I want to be most productive doing the things that get me 900 rands an hour and not the stuff that gets me 30 bucks an hour, even 100 rands an hour? No, I wouldn't want to do that. I want to do the things that give me 900 rands an hour, and from that 900 rands an hour that I earn, I can pay the guy comfortably that takes 30 rands an hour. I can pay the guy comfortably that takes 100 rands an hour for little small jobs that they do for my business. But that's also how you get best of breed and you get excellence in your business. If you use experts to do the work, ultimately you level up your customer will have more traffic, your customer will have more leads, your customer will have more sales, your customer will have more profit, and your customer will ultimately pay you more money. That is why we use experts. This is Arthur Charles here, another edition of Digital Business Secrets.